Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we're going to be tasting my favorite mango. This is the Lemon Meringue, or the Po Pyu Kalay. It is a mango that originated in Burma, which is now called Myanmar. But it is, to me, it's a very sweet, citrusy mango. I mean, sugary sweet. If you don't like really sweet stuff, it may not be your favorite. This is one that actually came off our own tree. We finally planted a tree. It was only like 2 years ago.
Less than 2 years ago, yeah.
And it's already got, we had about a dozen fruit on it this year maybe. And this is one of the first of them. So I'm looking forward to my very own PPKs. Lemon meringue is a very good descriptive name for what this tastes like.
Well, you haven't even tasted it.
Well, I mean, in general, I have tasted it before.
It's so good.
It's so good. I love this mango.
It's like he's going back to his childhood.
No, I never had one of these in my childhood.
I know, but just like by your face expression.
This is just like mango candy. It's just...
And it's so reliable. I've never once had a bad one.
They turn yellow on the tree. That's when they're ripe. You pick them off. I think I might have picked this one yesterday. I might have picked it today. I'm not sure. Yeah, I did pick one today.
It'd be a lot better if it wasn't as warm.
Well, you don't have to eat it.
It's like when people say that jackfruit tastes like cantaloupe, then you're like, okay, I'll go buy you a cantaloupe for 9 nights.
You never can look.
Those are really good, though.
It would be good chilled, though. I bet this would taste like really good
maybe.
chilled.
You can wait until yours is chilled then.
What do you think, Courtney?
Good mango. I already know that's gonna rate up.
Well, this is my favorite. This is the gold standard for what a 10 is on the mango chart. It's just it's citrusy, lemonade.
But candy-like. I mean,
Yeah,
sweet,
it is the perfect mango. It's a small mango. I guess that's the lemon zest mango is a seedling that Zill's selected of the lemon. The lemon meringue is one of the parents, and the lemon zest tastes similar to this, but it's a larger mango, and I think kind of that was what he was going for, is a larger version of the PPK. But this is just really good mango. So. I don't know what else to compare it to other than
To me, you know those sour lemon head candies, when you get to the sweet part, like that's like, to me, what it reminds me of. Were those sweet in the beginning or sweet at the end?
another thing. I only remember being sour, but
Oh, there's a sweet part of them, and that's what it reminds me of.
yeah, I mean, it's not, it's lemon flavored, but it's not a tart
Sour,
mango
yeah.
at all. It's like the perfect balance in there. It's just sweet with a full lemon flavor to it.
It's not complex.
No.
It's not a complex mango, but it's really good.
Not a lot of
But it's
layers of flavors,
flavorful.
but there's some. I mean, there's a little. I mean, you can tell it's a mango, but
Any other thoughts, Courtney?
I just don't know. It feels like, I wish I could compare it to something else. Usually Celeste says we compare most of the flavors that we know to junk foods, because you got to talk about what you know. And I'm trying to think
You
of
love
a lemon
meringue
candy.
pie.
This is sweeter than lemon
Yeah.
meringue pie. Lemon meringue pie tends to be tartar than this is. I can't think of anything offhand but anyway, excellent mango. This is my 10. It's my absolute favorite mango. So the only reason I would discourage you from buying one is that's less for me. So
We sell trees of lemon meringue.
Yeah, I know, but it's a really good mango. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree, and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.